Hello, my name is Kim Sauer at Productronica 2015. I'm here with Matteo Padoan from Essegi. Matteo, it's great to see you here at Productronica. It's finally the last day of the show. Let's start a little bit about the show. How's it been for you?
I mean, it was pretty good. We had a lot of customer coming over. I mean, 2 days a little bit more relaxing, but second day, third day was pretty crowded. Mm-hmm. I mean, it was really good.
Yeah, and you've got a number of storage solutions. What are the new innovations, the new features of your solutions that you have?
Okay, this year we are presented as a worldwide preview here our new tower that we call UltraFlex. So actually one of the peculiarity of this tower is that we are changing again a little bit game of this storage solution for electronic material. So what I mean is, if you go and look at what is the technology right now, is that everybody has specific location that have specific dimension to allocate the different type and size of material that they have. Mm-hmm. What this means that if you have a material like 15-inch reels, 44 millimeter height, you have to create inside the tower a space that can allocate this reel that is 44 millimeter height. What we did, we move out from this concept. We have created a tower that, and that's the reason why it's called UltraFlex, that is able to accept any mix, any height, at any time, okay? Mm-hmm. How we can do that? We do not have any fixed allocation inside. Our tower is like an hard disk. So depending on dimension of the file that you put inside, we are gonna occupy a different volume inside the tower. Mm-hmm. Okay, so these particular things, together with our patent system that is the possibility to load and unload a stack of reels, so not only one reel per time, it's really moving again the rules of the games. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So obviously these type of solutions are driven by the market requirement. And are there specific markets that you're addressing with this, or is this a solution that spans across the entire industry? Yeah,
actually, every time we are making a step forward is just because the market is requiring us. So our job is, by visiting customers, to understand what the customer will need, not are needed, that they will need. So we definitely understand that, this concept of having such a kind of flexibility, together the possibility to increment the number of reels per square meter. So what I mean is that right now with this new concept, we also increase the number of reels that we can allocate per square meter, not because we have a bigger system, because the system is smaller than the previous one, but because with this concept we are able to double the capacity of our system, because we do not have any more free space that are not used. Mm-hmm. Okay, so all free space, all free volume is now volume that we can use for any type of material. This allows us to, to double the number of reels that we can store in a smaller space.
Okay, so for the customer who has limited real estate, I suppose, this is an ideal solution, because then they're saving costs. Instead of having to have numerous towers or storage areas, they can have just the one.
Yeah, it's not the concept as having one, because our solution is working not by having one machine, because it's a kind of machine that you can plug in parallel, so you can have one machine, but we have customers that's having like 10, 15 machine. The concept is that by having this, what we call the dynamic space management logic, you do not have any fixed allocation for type of components. Mm-hmm. And that means that any space for you is a free space that you can use for any type of components. And based on real experience, actually, we have seen that the save on in terms of space is at 70% at the customer side, just because we are changing the concept of the space management. Mm-hmm.
Okay, and for the actual operator, I guess there's huge benefits as well, because they don't have to continuously go and find the material from all sorts of areas.
Yeah, absolutely, yes. One of the key points of such a kind of solution is that you are completely cutting off what is the time of operator to picking and reloading the material from the warehouse. Mm-hmm. So it's a machine that is delivering and then reallocating the material by themselves. So the only things that the operator has to do is go on the machine, put a stack of reel inside the machine, press one button, insert button, and machine is going to do everything by themselves. So in terms of operator saving, but also in terms of speed of setup preparation, the benefits are dramatically increased.
And as devices and applications become more complex and the diversity of components that are placed onto boards, I guess this is a solution that is going to be required for the future more and more.
Absolutely, yes. I mean, so far we have, production that are running PCB more every day, more and more complex. Every day we have machines that are going more and more fast. So there's no doubt that we have to give some tools to the operators to be sure to make the things on right times, but without making any kind of mistakes. So, I mean, such a kind of automatic logistic also in the electronic market are, I mean, from what we see, absolutely mandatory.
Okay, well, excellent. Thank you very much for taking the time, and good luck with the rest of the show as well.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.